Okay, let's have a look at another example. So on the left hand side we have 2i's. So let's label that 2i's. And then on the right hand side we've got 2 for a total of 6. So how do we make the left hand side equal the right hand side? Well, we'll multiply the left hand side by 1, 2, 3. So we'll have 2 times 3 equals 6. So the answer, y, is 3. Very simple. Well, my name's been Sean Canary, and I have a license to teach algebra.